If you've ever spent hours scrubbing your driveway, deck, or siding with a garden hose, you know how exhausting and time-consuming it can be. A good gas pressure washer changes that completely, blasting away dirt, grime, and stains in a fraction of the time. They may not look fancy, but they deliver serious cleaning power and save you plenty of effort. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 best gas pressure washers, their key features, and what to consider so you can find the right one for your needs. Links to all the products are in the description below. Number 6. TEANDE TZ5389. The TEANDE TZ5389 is a budget-friendly gas pressure washer that delivers more power than you'd expect for its price. If you're looking for solid cleaning performance without spending a fortune, this model is worth a look. It's ideal for homeowners who want a reliable machine to tackle tough outdoor cleaning jobs like washing patios, driveways, vehicles, and siding without paying for professional-grade equipment. One of its standout features is its impressive output, up to 4,200 psi at 3.0 gallons per minute, which is plenty of force to handle most residential and even light commercial tasks. It's powered by a 7.0 horsepower, 4-stroke OHV engine designed for consistent performance and decent fuel efficiency. You also get 5 quick-connect nozzles, so you can adjust the spray pattern to match the job, from a pinpoint jet to a wide fan. The 50-foot high-pressure hose gives you decent reach, and the compact steel frame, combined with large wheels, makes it surprisingly easy to move around. Some of the strengths of this machine include its high PSI for the price range, relatively easy assembly, and portable design. On the downside, it's louder than some higher-end models. Fuel consumption can feel a bit high during long sessions, and the hose can feel stiff until it's broken in. Overall, the TEANDE TZ5389 is a great entry-level choice for anyone who wants strong cleaning power at an affordable price. It gets the job done without unnecessary extras, making it a smart pick for most home projects. Number 5. Ezasin B0F1844GB3. The Ezasin B0F1844GB3 is a compact yet capable gas pressure washer built with residential use in mind. It offers enough cleaning power to handle a variety of outdoor tasks while remaining lightweight and easy to manage. This model is a good choice for homeowners who have occasional but diverse cleaning needs, whether that's washing vehicles, patios, fences, or outdoor furniture. It's designed to provide dependable performance without taking up much space and storage. In terms of power, the Ezasin delivers up to 4,200 psi at 2.8 gallons per minute, which is strong enough for most household jobs. It's powered by a 4-stroke OHV engine with manual start, offering reliable operation and reasonable fuel efficiency. You also get 5 quick connect spray tips, which let you choose the right spray pattern for everything from delicate surfaces to heavy grime. The 25-foot hose is abrasion-resistant and durable, though it's shorter than some premium models. A sturdy metal frame and pneumatic wheels make it easy to move around the yard, even over uneven ground. Among its strengths are its lighter weight compared to others in its class, respectable cleaning power, and compact design that stores easily in a garage or shed. On the flip side, the shorter hose limits your reach, and it may not be the best choice for tackling very large areas at once. All things considered, the Ezasin B0F1844GB3 is a solid choice if you're looking for a portable, reliable machine that handles smaller projects with ease and doesn't require a big investment. Number 4. Simpson Cleaning ALH3425. The Simpson Cleaning ALH3425 is a professional-grade gas pressure washer designed to withstand demanding use. With robust construction and reliable performance, it's built for people who need serious cleaning power on a regular basis. This model is ideal for contractors or homeowners who expect commercial-level results, whether that's cleaning large driveways, prepping surfaces for painting, or handling frequent heavy-duty tasks. It delivers up to 3,600 psi at 2.5 gallons per minute, giving you enough pressure to blast away stubborn dirt, mildew, and stains with ease. Powering is a Honda GX200 engine, known for its exceptional durability, smooth operation, and easy starts. The frame is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, reinforced with welded steel components for added strength without unnecessary weight. The ALH3425 also includes a 35-foot Flex hose, which is kink-resistant and provides good reach, and 5 quick-connect nozzles to handle a variety of cleaning situations. The 10-inch pneumatic tires roll easily over rough ground, making it more manageable to move than you might expect for such a sturdy machine. Among its standout strengths are its rugged build, consistent high performance even on long jobs, and surprising maneuverability given its weight. Of course, this kind of durability and power comes at a price. It's louder and heavier than many residential models, and it sits in a higher price range. Overall, the Simpson Cleaning ALH3425 is a powerful, dependable machine that can handle tough cleaning day after day, with minimal fuss and maximum results. Number 3. Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot. The Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot is another robust choice designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With this reliable engine and solid construction, it's built to handle frequent use and deliver professional-level results. This washer is well-suited for professionals and serious DIYers who often tackle large areas like long driveways, patios, siding, or even commercial spaces. It's a dependable companion for anyone who needs strong performance without stepping into the very top price brackets. The PS3228 delivers up to 3,300 psi at 2.5 gallons per minute, striking a nice balance of power and control for a range of surfaces. It's equipped with a Honda GX200 engine, trusted for its durability, smooth starting, and steady output. The frame is crafted from welded steel with a powder-coated finish, giving it both strength and resistance to corrosion. You get 5 quick connect nozzles for different spray patterns, along with a 25-foot more flex hose that's resistant to kinks and abrasion. The ergonomic spray gun is comfortable to handle, even during longer sessions, which makes it easier to work without fatigue. Its strengths include solid power and durable construction, all in a package that's a bit more compact than the ALH3425. The engine runs smoothly, and the overall feel is sturdy and well-made. That said, the hose could be longer for better reach, and some users may find it on the heavier side compared to purely residential models. In all, the Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot is a dependable and capable option for anyone who wants professional-level cleaning performance in a slightly more manageable package. Number 2. DeWalt DXPW3300S. The DeWalt DXPW3300S is a rugged and reliable gas pressure washer from a brand known for its durable, professional-grade tools. With solid construction and dependable performance, it's designed to handle tough jobs with ease. This model is a great fit for anyone who values trusted quality and wants a machine that can deliver consistent results, whether you're cleaning large driveways, prepping fences, or taking on other demanding outdoor tasks. The DXPW3300S produces up to 3,300 psi at 2.4 gallons per minute, providing plenty of power for both residential and light commercial use. At its heart is a Honda GX200 engine with an oil alert system that helps prevent damage from low oil levels. The engine is known for being easy to start and dependable over the long term. It features a heavy-duty steel frame with welded construction, built to withstand regular use and rolls easily thanks to 10-inch pneumatic wheels. The 25-foot hose gives you decent reach, and you also get 5 quick connect nozzles for different spray patterns along with a professional-style spray wand that feels sturdy in your hands. What stands out about this model is its high build quality, stable operation even under load, and the added confidence of DeWalt's excellent customer support. On the downside, it's a bit bulkier than some competitors, and the engine noise can be noticeable during long sessions. Overall, the DeWalt DXPW3300S is a worthy investment for anyone who needs a dependable, powerful washer that can handle tough jobs without unnecessary hassle. Number 1. Westinghouse WPX3400. The Westinghouse WPX3400 earns the top spot on this list thanks to its excellent balance of power, thoughtful features, and overall value. It offers dependable cleaning performance without requiring you to spend as much as some commercial-grade models. This washer is well-suited for both casual users and more frequent cleaners who want strong, consistent results without overspending. Whether it's tackling dirty driveways, washing vehicles, or cleaning decks, this machine handles a wide variety of tasks with ease. The WPX3400 delivers up to 3,400 psi at 2.6 gallons per minute, powered by a reliable 212cc 4-stroke engine that starts smoothly and runs consistently. Its heavy-duty steel frame feels sturdy and durable, while 12-inch never-flat wheels make it easy to move over gravel, grass, or uneven ground. You get 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to adjust the spray to fit the job, along with a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose that provides good reach and holds up well over time. The included onboard soap tank makes it easy to switch to detergent when needed, and the ergonomic spray gun feels comfortable even during longer cleaning sessions. Some of its clear strengths include a great power-to-price ratio, reliable engine performance, and a thoughtful, user-friendly design. On the downside, it is slightly heavy compared to smaller residential models, and the soap tank could be larger for big jobs. All things considered, the Westinghouse WPX3400 is a versatile and dependable gas pressure washer that delivers impressive results across a variety of cleaning tasks, making it a standout choice for most homeowners. Thank you for checking out our list of the top 6 best gas pressure washers. If you're interested in any of the models we mentioned, be sure to check the description below for links to each product. We love to hear which one you're considering, so feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. We hope this guide helps make your cleaning projects faster and easier.